welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the June Ipsy box. This is my very first Ipsy box. I don't even know what I got, to be honest with you. But this is how it came, completely damaged, and this is the June box. It came last week, so it took almost a month and a half to get here. I don't know why. But this is my first Ipsy box. Years and years and years and years and years ago, I had a subscription to Ipsy when it was $10 and you just got the little bag filled with like samples. So I had that for a little while. I got it as like a gift or something. And they didn't have like the $25 and then like this luxe bag or anything like that. It was just the $10 bag, which is now $12. I have seen several content creators and on YouTube and Instagram who get the Ipsy bag. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. And I was like, well, let me give it a try and see if I like it. I don't like it. I was so disappointed. I'm going to continue to try it for another month and see if it, I want to give it a fair shot. So I'm going to keep it for another month and see how I like it. But my first impression is that it took a month and a half to get to me, and I find that to be unacceptable. Totally unacceptable that it took that long to come. And then the box came damaged, which probably is not the fault of Ipsy. It's probably the post office. But still, when your product comes half open and damaged, it kind of just puts a bad taste in your mouth, right? So when it came, I was super excited. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen all of this because I just I couldn't wait. I was so just disappointed. But here's the bag. So I've seen other content creators, they get the bag and all their products are in it. And I just have to say that this bag is really, really little. So when I watch other reviews, I think it's like a fairly big bag. This is not big, not at all. Not big. Like, I don't even know what I could reuse this as. So there's that. It came empty. I was expecting the products to be in the bag because I'm calling it a box, but really I think it's like an Ipsy Glam bag. Yes, it's the Ipsy Glam bag, and I think like Ipsy Glam bag plus. All right, so the products came, and this is what I paid: $25 plus tax for my box or for my bag. I keep calling it a box. It is a bag. I received the Violet Moss Wildflower, and I'm not even sure what this is, so let's open it and find out. I don't know if it's eyeshadow or cheek. Eyeshadow. So those are the shades. And I've never heard of this brand, Violet Voss. I also don't know what the retail value of this eyeshadow is. If I find out, I will leave it somewhere across the screen to let you guys know what the value of this is. The other thing that I got was the BFF Best Face Forward, and this is a purifying cleanser. I believe this is something that I chose, so I got to pick a certain number of my products, and I think this is one that I chose. So this is a BHA cleanser. So it comes in a little tube. And again, I don't know the price, but if I find it, I will leave it down below. The next thing I got in, I also think I chose this. This is the Murad Skin Smoothing Polish. So this is an exfoliant. So that is the Murad. And I have used Murad products before, and I did really like them. So that is why I chose that. So I have at least heard of this brand. And the next thing I got was the Tarte Hydro Concealer, and this is in shade 25H Light Medium Honey. I'm not sure if this is going to be a match. This is something that they chose for me. So there it is. I have never used a Tarte concealer. Like I know, but I'm no judging. I never used the Tarte Shape Tape, which I feel so many people have. I do think it'll be a really nice match for me. And I am curious to see how it will apply under the eye. It feels very matte. It doesn't really feel hydrating at all. And it says that it's hydro concealer. So I will definitely put this to the test and see how it looks underneath the eyes. The next thing I got is Sugar Rush Tarte, and this is a vegan lip oil. So I'm not even going to open that because I know that this color is not going to work for me. So I am going to put this aside for a future giveaway. But again, I will leave the retail price for this down below if I can find it. The last thing in this box, I believe I did choose, and this is the Viseart Petite Pro Deux eyeshadow palette. I do really love Viseart eyeshadow palettes, so I was really excited to see this. So I believe this retails for like $30. So this actually, I am happy to get this. And this is basically the cost of the box. So I do think that I got my money's worth. I just wish there were more products in here that I really, really loved. But I will try it, and you know, we'll see. And then I was able to pick an add-on. And so I really was excited about this add-on. This is the Blender Cleanser. So this is a liquid brush cleanser, and Aileen from A Merch Beauty mentioned good things about this. And so when I saw it as an add-on, I immediately added it to the cart. I don't remember what I paid for it versus what the retail value of it was, but I mean, it was on sale essentially. So I will definitely be using this. I have got a sink full of dirty brushes. So we are going to give this a shot. I mean, we're going to give this a try very soon, and I will let you guys know how I like it. So that is everything that I got in my first Ipsy box, or my first Ipsy bag. I got the middle range bag. So I didn't get the $12 one, but then there's like an even more expensive one that I think is only quarterly. So this one is the $25 one where you get full-size products, which is what I want. I prefer to have full-size products. I would love to hear from you guys if you guys have Ipsy and what your thoughts are, because like I said, I wasn't overly impressed. I think I was just really upset that it took so long, honestly. And I was most excited to get this brush cleanser, which was like an extra charge on top of everything. But I don't know. It was just kind of disappointing that it took so long. The box was beat up, and I don't know. I think I was just, you know, in a mood that day. But overall, I do think that it was a decent box. I did get my money's worth, and I will see what the July's bag looks like. Apparently it has shipped, so maybe I will get it sooner than I got this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.